Hi friends, welcome to the online lecture series on programming fundamentals. In this lecture, we are going to see an algorithm and flowchart for a simple program which prints the text Hello World. An algorithm is a finite step-by-step procedure written using the natural language, generally in English. This algorithm describes the steps involved for printing the text Hello World. In step 1, write print Hello World. Step 2, end. Flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of control flow of the program. First, specify the start using the rounded rectangular symbol. This symbol is used to specify start and stop operation. Now the control goes to the next statement, which is a print statement. Specify the print hello world in quotes using the parallelogram symbol. This symbol is used for both input and output. After this, the control is transferred to the next step, which is the end of the program. It is always recommended to write an algorithm and draw a flowchart before start coding. Even though this is a simple one, if you are a beginner, try to practice while watching the lecture. Thank you for watching.